Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing very healthy, tasty, gluten-free breakfast recipe that is very simple and easy to make even without burger buns. This is a great option if you want to make the breakfast gluten-free and with just 2 teaspoons of oil. Moreover, it is rich in protein and loaded with vegetables. So if you want to feed picky eating kids very healthy, this recipe is the best option. If you are new here, welcome to Homemade Flavors. If you like this video, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon for more healthy recipes. To start with our recipe, take 3/4 cup of moong dal. Yes, moong dal packed with proteins and low on carbs is one of the most recommended vegetarian superfoods. As an integral part of Indian diet, it is extremely light and easy to digest. Now wash this moong dal and soak it for an hour. After an hour, our moong dal is well soaked. Now drain the excess water. If you are planning to make this early morning, then you can soak the moong dal overnight. Now transfer this to a mixie jar and add an inch of ginger and 2 green chilli according to your spice levels and salt as per taste and 1/4 cup of water and grind this into smooth batter. Here you can see our batter is ready. Now transfer to a bowl. Now to this moong dal batter, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and give it a good mix. This helps in fermenting the batter. Here you can see our batter is frothy after the baking powder is added, and this baking powder helps in creating aeration in the batter. Now grease the molds like this. Here I am using the lunchbox tins, so you can use whatever you have at home. Just add half teaspoon of oil and grease all the tins. Now transfer this moong dal batter to the greased tins. Moong dal is a nutrient-rich food as they're packed with minerals, fiber, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin E, C and K. Moreover, it has a low glycemic index and helps to bring down the insulin, blood glucose and fat levels in the body. Now allow them to steam cook on medium flame for about 10 minutes. Here I used a steel vessel. You can use the idli cooker as well. Meanwhile, heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow them to fry well. Now add 1/4 cup of onion and saute and allow them to fry on medium flame. Once the onion is well fried and becomes translucent, here I have this vegetables that are steamed, around 2 potatoes and 1 cup of green peas and 1 carrot. Here these vegetables are steam cooked, so now add these steamed vegetables to the onion that is fried and give it a good mix. You may use any vegetable that is available, but today here I used just 3 vegetables that is available with me. Allow the vegetables to fry on medium flame, and once they are sauteed for a minute or 2, add salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. If you don't have amchur powder, you can squeeze half a lemon. Now give a mix so that all the spices gets mixed up with the vegetables and smash the vegetables very nicely. Now to the cooked and smashed vegetables, add handful of chopped cilantro and give it a good mix. Here our stuffing is ready. So now switch off the flame and transfer to a bowl and allow it to cool. By the time this stuffing is ready, our moong dal burger buns are also ready. They are nicely steeped. So now here you can see I inserted a knife and knife came out clean. Allow them to cool completely. After they are cooled, run a knife along the edges so that it will be demolded easily. This recipe is gluten-free, vegan and highly nutritious with loads of protein from the moong dal that we used and minerals from the vegetables that we added. Moreover, this can be made with just 2 teaspoons of oil. So this is also very healthy and it is diabetic friendly. I said this is diabetic friendly because moong dal has a low glycemic index and also it helps to bring down the insulins and blood glucose levels in the body. Now carefully divide the moong dal burgers into 2 sections as shown in the video, and here you can see how fluffy and soft they are. Like this, divide all the 3 and now take a slice and fill in the stuffing. Here in this recipe I steamed all the vegetables before cooking so that I can reduce the amount of oil for sauteing the vegetables. Once it is filled with stuffing, now cover this with the second slice and here our burger is ready. Now heat the pan, and once the pan is heated, Spread 1 teaspoon of oil. Spread this just 1 teaspoon of oil on the entire pan, and once the oil is also heated, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and just a few teaspoons of coriander leaves. Now transfer all the prepared burgers to the pan and allow them to cook on medium flame. Make sure to keep the flame on medium so that they are nice and crispy. Now here after a minute they are well fried, so flip to the other side and allow them to fry on the second side as well. Here after a minute, let's see if they are fried on the second side also. Here you can see they are well fried. Now this is the correct time to switch off the flame and transfer them to the serving plate. With this, our healthy, tasty, gluten-free breakfast that is very simple and easy to make even without burger buns is ready to be served. Believe me, kids would love this than the store-bought burgers, and this is a very appetizing and crowd-pleasing recipe. Moreover, if you want to feed picky eating kids with very healthy breakfast, this is a great option. So friends, try making this recipe and let me know in the comment section. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon for more healthy recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.